subtraction concept and problem solving. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And before we continue, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload. So today we're doing subtraction concept and problem solving. Definition of subtraction. Subtraction in mathematics means you are taking something away from a group or number of things. When you subtract, what is left in the group becomes less. An example of a subtraction problem is the following. 90 minus 50 is equal to 40. There are three parts to the subtraction problem. 90 minus 50 is equal to 40. The part where you start with is called minuend. Here the minuend is 90. The part being taken away is called subtrahend. Here the subtrahend is 50. The part that is left after subtraction is called the difference. Here the difference is 40. Next, subtraction facts. Always smaller number is subtracted from bigger number. For example, 15 minus 20 is equal to 30. When a number is subtracted from the same number, the difference is 0. For example, 62 minus 62 is equal to 0. When 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference is that number itself. For example, 31 minus 0 is equal to 31. We cannot change the position of numbers in subtraction like addition. For example, 50 minus 20 is equal to 30. Cannot be written as 20 minus 50. Addition and subtraction are closely linked. Although addition is the opposite of subtraction, it is also true that every addition problem can be rewritten as a subtraction problem. For example, 50 plus 40 is equal to 90 can be rewritten as 90 minus 50 is equal to 40. When minuend is missing, we add the subtrahend and difference. Here, 50 plus 40 is equal to 90. 50 is subtrahend, 40 is difference, 90 is minuend. When subtrahend is missing, we subtract the difference from minuend. Here 90 minus 40 equals 50. 90 is minuend, 40 is difference, 50 is subtrahend. Problem number 1. Observe the given subtraction. What are the values of A and B? Answer. They have given 580 minus B72 is equal to 218. Here 580 is minuend, B72 is subtrahend, 218 is difference. In order to find A in minuend, we have to add subtrahend and difference. 8 plus 2 is 10. 2 plus 7 is 9. Here they have given 5. So we will put 5. So from here we know that A is equal to 9. In order to find B, we will take the hundreds column. 2 plus B is equal to 5. We know that 3 plus 2 is 5. From here we know that B is equal to 3. The answer is A is equal to 9 and B is equal to 3. The answer will be C. Now problem number 2. Add me to 6 or subtract me from 14. The answer is the same. Who am I? Let us see the answer. We will consider the number to be A. They have given 6 plus A is equal to 14 minus A. We will go option by option. So we will take first option, which is 14. Here 14 minus 14 will be 0. 6 plus any number will not be 0. So we will eliminate that option. So we will go to the next option, which is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 14 minus 6 is 8. It is not the same. So we will eliminate it. Now next option is 10. So we will check that. 6 plus 10 is equal to 16. 14 minus 10 is equal to 4. It is also not the same. So we will go to the last option, which is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 14 minus 4 is also 10. So the value of A should be 4. So the answer will be 4. Now problem number 3. Observe the following. 40 minus question mark is equal to 30 plus question mark. Which same number must be filled in the boxes to make the number sentence correct? Let us see the answer. So first we will check every option if it satisfies the condition. First is 6. Here 40 minus 6 is equal to 34. 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. No, this is not the same. So we will go to the next option, which is 4. 40 minus 4 is equal to 36. 30 plus 4 is equal to 34. This is also not the same. So we will go to the next option. C, which is 8. So 40 minus 8 is equal to 32. 30 plus 8 is equal to 38. This is also not satisfying the condition. So we will go to the last one, which is 5. 40 minus 5 is 35. 30 plus 5 is 35. This satisfies the condition. So the answer will be 5. Now problem 4. If you subtract me from 75, you get 25. Who am I? Answer. We will take the number as A. They have given 75 minus A is equal to 25. Here 75 is minuend, A is subtrahend, 25 is difference. What we will do if we need subtrahend? We will minus minuend and difference. 75 is minuend, 25 is difference, and A is subtrahend. 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 2 is 5. So the answer will be 50. Now problem number 5. If you add me to 15, you get 50. Who am I? Answer. First we will take the number as A. 15 plus A is equal to 15. We know that every addition problem can be rewritten as a subtraction problem. We can solve this problem using that concept. 15 is subtrahend, A is difference, 50 is minuend. Difference equal to minuend minus subtrahend, which is A equal to 50 minus 15. 50 minus 15 is 35. So the answer will be 35. Problem number 6. If you subtract me from 16, you get me. Who am I? Answer. Since they have said if you subtract me from 16, you get me, both the numbers are same. So we will assume both the numbers as A. 16 minus A is equal to A. Here 16 is the minuend. This A is the subtrahend and answer A is difference. Minuend equal to difference plus subtrahend. 16 equal to A plus A. We know that 8 plus 8 is 16. So the answer will be 8. Now problem number 7. Find the missing digits. They are all the same. Answer. They have given all the digits as same. So we will consider this box as A. First we will consider the ones digit. A plus A is equal to 4. We know that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So A equal to 2. Now we will substitute the value of A and let us check whether it is correct. 154 is equal to 22 plus 22. 22 plus 22 is 44. So this will be wrong. There might be carry forward, so we will assume 14 instead of 4. 14 equal to a plus a. We know that 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. So let us substitute the value of a as 7 and check. 154 equal to 77 plus 77. Let us check by subtraction also. In this sum, we cannot subtract 7 from 4. The minuend is not big enough to subtract the subtrahend. In this case, you will have to borrow from the nearest non-zero minuend to the left. To borrow, you need to take 1 from the nearest minuend and count that as the 10 to add to the other minuend to the right. This will make a number large enough to subtract from. Borrow 1 from 5. 5 will become 4 and 4 will become 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. We cannot subtract 7 from 4. So we will borrow again from the nearest left. 1 will become 0 and 4 will become 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. So the answer is 77. Problem number 8. By how much is 9,000 more than 8799? Answer. They have asked by how much 9,000 is more than 8799. In order to find how much more, we will subtract 8,799 from 9,000. Here, the minuend is not big enough to subtract the subtrahend. So, we will borrow from the nearest non-zero minuend to the left. To borrow, you need to take 1 from the nearest minuend and count that as 10 to add to the other minuend to the right. Using this concept, we will subtract this. We cannot subtract 9 from 0. So, to borrow, we will go to the nearest minuend. Here also 0 is there. So, again to borrow, we will go to the nearest minuend. Here also 0 is there. So, we will go to the next minuend. Here 9 is there. So, we will start borrowing from 9. We will borrow 1 from 9 and 9 will become 8. Here 0 will become 10. 0 will become 10. And we are taking 1 from 10 and borrowing here. So, 10 will become 9. 0 will become 10. Again we are doing the same. So, 10 will become 9. And here 0 will become 10. Now we can start subtracting. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 7 is 2. 8 minus 8 is 0. The answer is 9,000 is 201 more than 8,799. Now problem number 9. What is the missing number in the box? Answer. First, we will consider the question mark as A. They have given 37 minus 21 minus A is equal to 7. First, we will minus these two, which is 37 minus 21. 37 minus 21 is 16. So, this equation can be written as 16 minus A is equal to 7. We know that subtrahend equals to minuend minus difference. Here is A equal to 16 minus 7. The missing number is 9 because 16 minus 7 is 9. Problem number 10. Identify the difference of 762 and 215. We will subtract these two. The minuend is not big enough to subtract the subtrahend, so we will borrow. 6 will become 5, 2 will become 12, 12 minus 5 is 7, 5 minus 1 is 4, 7 minus 2 is 5. So the answer is 500 plus 4 tens plus 7 ones. that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.